To make fabrics, the fibers are first converted into yarns. Are you wondering what a fabric is? Fabrics are the pieces of cloth used for making a variety of clothes. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. But how is it done? If you take cotton in your hand and gently rub your palms together, you can see the cotton has now turned in the form of a long thread-like structure. This is nothing but yarn. In the process of spinning, fibers from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn. A simple device used for spinning is a hand spindle, also called takli. Another hand-operated device used for spinning is charka. Use of charka was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi as a part of independence movement. He encouraged people to wear clothes made of homespun yarn termed as Khadi and shun imported cloth made in the mills of Britain. To popularize and promote Khadi, the government of India constituted a body called Khadi and Village Industries Commission in 1956. Spinning of yarn on a large scale is done with the help of spinning machines. After spinning, yarns are used for making fabrics.